In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate clips in CapCut PC. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go and open your CapCuts. And once it's opened as an example, let's just wait a little bit, you'll have to go and create your project. Or for me, as an example, let me just go out of this. I'm just going to a project that's already created that has some clips so it's on it as an example, like this one. So for you, let's say that you still don't have any clips, you can simply just go to this import button at the top left and you can simply import something from your PC. You can also record something on your PC right now. So you can click on the record and you'll be able to record on your PC. So you can click on start recording. You can also record your mic and camera if you want to, and you should be good to go. So for me, I don't want to record that at the moment. And here as an example, we said we want to duplicate a clip. Let's say as an example, this is the clip that I want to duplicate. So as you can see here, I have multiple stuff. And let's say this small clip like of thanks for watching, I want to duplicate it. So all I need to do is just go to the clip, click on it to select it, and I'll have on my keyboard to click on Control C. Once I do Control C, of course, next I'll have to go to wherever I want to put it. Let's say an example at the end of this and hit Control V. Once I do so, as you can see, it will be duplicated and it will be here at the top. I can put it down, I can keep it at the top, it's also up to you, and I can even adjust it however I want. So as an example, now I have two thanks for watching clips are duplicated. So as you can see, thanks for watching, and here, so subscribe and stuff, and here an example, it will be duplicated again. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.